particular terms in an AP. Now, let us see how to select the terms of an AP. It is convenient to solve problems on AP if we choose or assume terms in such a manner that on addition, one unknown gets automatically eliminated. For example, if we want to select 3 consecutive terms of an AP, it is convenient to assume it as A minus D, A plus D, so that while adding, the unknown D will be eliminated. For 4 terms, it can be assumed as A minus 3D, A minus D, A plus D, A plus 3D, with the common difference 2D. Here too, on adding, D will be eliminated. For 5 terms, it is easier to assume it as A minus 2D, A minus D, A plus D and A plus 2D. Here too, on finding the sum, D will be eliminated. Let us now solve a few examples based on this type of assumption. Find 4 consecutive terms in an AP whose sum is 12 and the sum of the third and fourth term is 14. We have just seen that for 4 consecutive terms, we have to assume the terms as A minus 3D, A minus D, A plus D, A plus 3D with common difference 2D. The sum of the 4 terms is given as 12. Therefore, A minus 3D plus A minus D plus A plus D plus A plus 3D is 12. That is, 4A is 12. Therefore, A is 3. The sum of the third and the fourth term is given as 14. Therefore, A plus D plus A plus 3D is 14. Therefore, 2A plus 4D is 14. Dividing throughout by 2, we get A plus 2D is 7. Substituting A is 3, we get 3 plus 2D is 7. On simplifying, we get D is 2. Substituting A is 3 and D is 2 in the assumed terms, we get A minus 3D is minus 3. A minus D is 1. A plus D is 5. And A plus 3D is 9. Therefore, the 4 consecutive terms are minus 3, 1, 5 and 9. Let us solve one more problem. Find 3 consecutive terms in an AP whose sum is minus 3 and the product of their cubes is 512. Since we have to find the 3 consecutive terms in an AP, we will assume them as A minus D, A and A plus D. The sum of the 3 consecutive terms is given as minus 3. Therefore, A minus D plus A plus D is minus 3. Therefore, 3A is minus 3. Therefore, A is minus 1. The product of their cubes is given as 512. Therefore, A minus D the whole cube into A cube into A plus D the whole cube is 512. Therefore, A minus D into A plus D the whole cube is 512. Taking cube root on both the sides, we get A minus D into A plus D is 8. Therefore, A into A square minus D square is 8. Substituting the value of A, that is minus 1, we get minus 1 into minus 1 the whole square minus D square is 8. On simplifying, we get d square is 9. Therefore, d is plus minus 3. This means d is 3 or d is minus 3. When a is minus 1 and d is 3, we get t1 is a minus d is minus 4. t2 is a is minus 1 and t3 is a plus d is 2. Therefore, when a is minus 1 and d is 3, the three consecutive terms are minus 4, minus 1 and 2. When a is minus 1 and d is minus 3, we get t1 is a minus d is 2, t2 is a is minus 1 and t3 is a plus d is minus 4. Therefore, when a is minus 1 and d is minus 3, the three consecutive terms are 2, minus 1 and minus 4. Therefore, the three consecutive terms are minus 4, minus 1, 2 or 2, minus 1, minus 4.